Why do I always come to thee? What magic do you hold that always pulls me back to your fold? Is it the way the sun sets on your horizon, painting the skies with hues of orange and crimson? Or is it the way the wind whispers through the trees as I stroll around in those pretty streets? Perhaps it's the people that calls you home. Their warmth and kindness I cannot condone. For they welcome me with open arms and make me feel safe from all those harm. Oroquieta, you are a place of comfort, a sanctuary that I cannot always resort. When the world is full of bearing, I know I can find my solace in your care. From the bustling markets to your quiet parks, there's always something that fills my heart. And though I may wander far and wide, my love for you will never subside. In a world full of chaos and strife, you're my sanctuary, my hope, my life. A place where I find peace. A place where I find my soul release. In this home, my nanay hold me so close, where tatay showed me courage with no fear. Grandparents spoke of wisdom, a loving clan that always will be with me. Oroquieta, you may be small, but your heart is big, and your people are kind, gracious, and forgiving. You may not have the brightest lights, but the tallest buildings, but your beauty is in the simplicity of living. From the greetings of strangers on the street to the small conversations that make life sweet, the culture and tradition that's kept alive make me feel like Oroquieta's the best place to thrive. I stroll down the narrow alleys of your old town, where the houses still stand weathered but proud. I hear the church and feel the history of your past come alive. From the bustling market down to those quiet shore, your beauty and charm I adore. Each nook and corner holds a tale of struggles, triumphs, and loves that prevail. Oroquieta, you have seen your shares of struggles and pain, of wars and natural disasters, of love and gain. But you rise from the ashes, resilient and strong, and teach us to keep going no matter how long. You are the keeper of my identity, my roots, the place where my heart and soul find clarity. Where I go to recharge, to heal, to find peace. Where I go and remember who I was, who I will be. Oroquieta, you may not be a famous tourist spot, but to me you are a treasure, a secret, a plot. Of a land that holds my heart, my legacy, my treasures, I always come home for you faithfully. Your history is rich, your culture is so diverse. From festivals to food, it's a treat to immerse. In your vibrant colors, your vibrant beat, it's a joy to experience and a wonder to me. Oroquieta, your streets may not be as grand, but your warmth and hospitality are second to none. Your humble people, your caring people, a trait that's rare in this world that's always daring. I left you to chase my dreams, to explore the world and go wherever I could. But no matter where I go or what I do, a trait that I have is to always come back to you. You're not perfect, I know that's true, but your imperfections are what makes you you. The unique and beautiful place you are, a hidden gem that shines like a star. Your hills and valleys are a sight to behold. Your beaches and rivers never grow old. Your sunsets and sunrises are a work of art, a perfect masterpiece from the Creator's heart. Oroquieta, I will always come home to you, to the place where my dreams first came true, where my first love blossomed and grew, where my heart always feels brand new. The smell of the sea, the sound of the birds, the taste of your food, so rich and delicious. All these makes me so long for you, and I know I will always come home to you no matter what. So here I am, standing in front of you, feeling your warm breeze, hearing your sweet melody. Oroquieta, you are my home, you are my sanctuary, and I will always come back to you, my beloved city. For you hold my past, my present, my future. You are a part of me, and I am a part of you. No matter where I go and what I do, I will always come home to you, Oroquieta.
Thank you very much to